told him, "Hey buddy, I'm insulted. And if you don't know who I am, I'm gonna call my lawyer to inform you." And then I gave him a left, and then a right, and then I jabbed him, and some hit them. Oh, sorry. We interrupt your broadcast today because of some violence that has erupted. Apparently, some shots were heard in the vicinity of Kingston. Now we go live to our own correspondent, Sheriff John Brown. Sheriff, do you hear me? Sheriff, are you there?
Yes, I can. I hear you loud and clear.
Sheriff John Brown, could you please explain to us what exactly is taking place here?
Well, at about 4:30 this morning, we did get a couple phone calls at the precinct. Apparently, they heard a bunch of loud noises. Some booms were heard in the vicinity. Upon investigation, 5 eyewitnesses and 1 dead body, we have come to the conclusion that the booms were gunshots.
And the victim, was he the intended target, or was there another intended target around somewhere?
Apparently, the intended target was a dancehall artist formerly known as John O. He is claiming to be a white Jamaican, and apparently the assailant that is going after him is another white Jamaican. We have dismissed all these charges because there is no such thing as a white Jamaican. We all know this, so as far as I'm concerned, this is case closed. I am closing the book on this. It's another murder down the drain.
What do you mean another murder down the drain? You obviously have leads. You have leads. Why aren't you following up on your leads?
Look here. 60% of the murders go unsolved. I am just adding this to the tally because we are up to 50%, and we need to bring the ratio back down. We need to meet our quota of 60%. 50% is too much solved mysteries. Thank you. No further questions.
Oh, that lady in the background, she sounds very hysterical. Can I talk to her, please? Please, let me talk to her.
Hey, yo, them shoot me, brother. Me never see him. I want buff tooth boy, right? You can't miss him. You can't miss him. Him ugly. Him have some buff tooth. Him feel that doopy one. God, them shoot me, brother.
Are you trying to say that this guy running around is a white Jamaican that's doing this?
Yes, man. You never see the TV program, man. Not like that, man. Like time the was talking about when the Rocky Jacks. No, trying to shot at everything. God, them shoot me, brother.
Well, why are the police following up on this? What's wrong with the police?
Look, we follow good leads, okay? If somebody wanted to call with foolishness on the internet talking about a white Jamaican was doing a shooting, they might as well say the Loch Ness monster kill him, or the abominable snowman come down from the mountains them and try shooting. We are not going to follow this foolishness. And since I'm on the air, I might as well tell everybody how I feel about George Bush. Mr. Bush?
Hello, Sheriff? Sheriff? Seems we've lost communications. We will keep you up to date with this story and more after these short messages.
Every day, kids are starving across our nation. But you're thinking, how could this be? We're the richest nation around. But yet, kids are starving. They rummage through garbage looking for food to eat. But with a small donation, you could help him eat. You could help him go get some food, proper nutrition, care they haven't received in a long time. Just your small donation would help him out with the food, education, and dental work that they badly need. It seems hopeless, but there is a light at the end for kids just like this one here. With your small donation and care, you can make sure that a kid just like this will have a secure future and not result in any foolishness on the internet. This message was paid on behalf of smart people.
where's my coffee? It was supposed to come 5 minutes ago before the first broadcast. Huh? Well, she's fired. You tell her that I said something like, ooh, sorry about that. Nobody seems to inform me that we're live. I hate this studio. I wish CNN will call me. CNN, give me a call. My official resignation is today, damn it. Well, if you're just joining us, seems like John O has his hands full. From what I understand, we do have an audio tape that just came in, and we have an actor who we dressed up to look like the assailant. So if you see anybody looking like this actor and you recognize his voice, please do not hesitate. He is armed and dangerous, and this is a real recording. This is real news. This is live. This is energy. Cut to the tape. Roll it.
I'm McKinley. You think me don't know your name, yeah? Well, let me tell you something. I'm gonna f you up so bad. I don't even know what to think of you, you know. Your head's are fat like Humpty Dumpty. I don't even know what you say. Your arms, yo, you may look like you have fat and everything, right? But I'm not true, you know. You don't have no fat. You're skinny like bone skinny. And your leg them look like chicken foot and cat body, right? Now let me tell you something about me. Me, I the Don, probably internet Don and everything, you know. But me are the king in life. Come here, cop your blood clot, right? And let me tell you something. Me no ramp with kids like you on the net. Me no fuck no girl on the net either. Me fuck them right in real life. Fuck them and take good care of them. You just go, you be like, hey, what's up? How you doing? You be like, making that fucking accent. Hi, how you doing? I'm Jamaican, blah 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 blah. You wanna have a little two shots? We have a little sex, da 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 da, right? That's what you do, right? But I know you in real life, right? You just go pick up some chicks, fuck them, go after another chick, fuck them until they get pregnant. Then you just go to another state and everything. Nah, that's not me. Nah, yo, give me the gun. Yo, so how you do this and shit, man? Yo, anytime you fuck with me again, 3, 1, 2, me I gotta just come down, find your blood clot and shoot the put the wall. You hear me? I'm gonna tell you, ramping with kids, and I'm a specialty, you know. Look at the hat. It's a Jamaican Marley. It have the weed sign on it too. What do you think about that, eh? 2 days from now, 3 days from now, I'm gonna be popular on YouTube. And you're gonna be all the way down. I don't know what to say. I don't know anything else to say. Okay, I may have a girlfriend in real life. Yeah, I may have a girlfriend in real life. Yeah, I have a girlfriend in Jamaica too. I have about 6, 8 to 10 Jamaican. Alright? Peace,
Well,
bitch.
call my agent then. Tell him to get my agent on the phone. CNN will call. CNN wants a guy like me. I'm energetic, I'm funny, I'm enthusiastic, damn it. And I don't want to be on the station anymore, because apparently we keep cutting back to live and nobody's telling me, and we can't even record. Can't we record this? Damn it. This is live TV. Screw celebrity reality. Screw VH1. This is live TV. This is the news. We're almost at the end of our program. You sat with us through most of this. We'll keep you updated to the minute. But before we go, let's check in with Mr. Cleo with the weather. Mr. Cleo, what do you have for the weather?
It's a blood clot rain.
Oh, you're so mature. So mature, Mr. Cleo.
You're not talking about mature, man. Suck your mother and broadcast the news. Don't talk to me. I did the weather. You want the weather? Go look outside.
Beautiful. Well, you know what? I am the man. You can kiss my ass. This broadcast is the bomb. As a matter of fact, I quit. God damn it, I told y'all I quit, and I'm dead serious. Can't be mocking me. I'm a celebrity. You can't do this to me.
I see rain. I see chaka chaka rain, chaka chaka rain. Chaka chaka rain, chaka chaka rain. Give it rain, give it rain, give it rain. Rain, rain, it's my crystal ball. It's raining, gonna rain. It's gonna rain.